Hello YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tina and I make videos on lifestyle and DIY every single week, and I'm trying to stick to a posting schedule. So my plan for videos is to upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So please keep me accountable, and if I drop the ball, I'm sorry, but I'm going to try my best to stick to the schedule. So you can look forward to 3 videos a week from me, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know down below. But for today's video, I wanted to do a quarantine stay-at-home favorites. So all of these items are things relating to the home that I've found recently or have been loving more because I'm at home. And I don't know if it's cheating because some of the stuff is new, so I don't know if I can call it a favorite, but because I love it so much, I'm already gonna call it a favorite. So without further ado, let's get into my at-home favorites. So my first favorite has to be my salt lamp. If you guys watched my room makeover video, I recently moved this from my living room into our bedroom. And I don't know if it's just like being at home more or like my sleeping schedule's a little bit messed up, but I've been having a harder time falling asleep. And so we keep this on right before bed, and it just gives like such a nice ambient warm glow, and it makes the room feel so much cozier. But I feel like it's just been a nice addition to our room, and we've been using it pretty much every night, and it's kind of like having a night light. So I definitely would suggest that you guys pick one up, not only for the aesthetic but also just for like the calming properties of this. I really love this. I got this a while ago, and I'm really upset that I didn't put it in our bedroom sooner because we're using it way more in our bedroom and I'm just loving it so much. Salt lamps are also supposed to have like healing properties. Let me look this up actually. Salt lamp benefits. So according to the internet, Himalayan salt lamps are supposed to balance electromagnetic radiation, clean, deodorize, and purify air, which is great, calm allergies and reduce asthma, alleviate coughing and other symptoms of the common cold. So that's pretty great for cold season in the wintertime. Boost blood flow, raise energy levels, sharpen concentration and performance, enhance mood. So there's just so many benefits to having one, and I would definitely recommend that you pick one up. You can find this on Amazon, Target, even Marshalls and Home Goods, and I'll be sure to link a couple options down below. I love you, salt lamp. So my next favorite item is something that I've had for years, and I picked it up at Target as well, but it's not available anymore, so I will link other options down below. But it is this cute plant mister. I know Urban Outfitters also sells a few things, but it is just like the most extra little plant mister. I love the way it looks, and I just love the way it feels when I'm using it. So you put your little finger in here, and then you press down with your thumb, and then you can mist your beautiful plants. Sorry, I just hit you. I originally saw Estee Lalonde use one of these like way back in the day, and I was like, I need to have this. So when I saw one at Target, I was like, I have to have you. So I'm really glad that I have this. And since we've been at home, I've been using this a lot more. I go around like almost every day or every other day and just mist my plants that need the humidity. Even my husband, who's not a plant person, like picked this up one day and started misting plants, and I was like telling him exactly which one to like mist. But I just thought that was so cute, and it's just like a fun little routine to add into your day. Usually when I'm working at the office every day, I don't mist my plants that often. I usually just mist them on the weekends, but now that I am home all day, this is just really great to incorporate into my morning routine. Yeah, so I just love this little mister, and I know you will too, and I know that your plants will love it as well. This next favorite is something I picked up literally yesterday because I was at Target buying some essential items, and obviously I had to wander into the dollar spot, and literally the first thing that I saw when I was there, I was just like I like was speechless, and I was like grabbing them right away. And they are these mirrors, like $5 for each one. And as you guys can see, like I have my big one back there, and that one is from World Market originally. I bought it off of someone on Facebook Marketplace, and I think originally that's probably over 50 bucks. I got it for 25 maybe. I know that like Urban Outfitters sells these really small mirrors. Insert a picture right here, but they sell each one of those mirrors for $24 or $25, and they are literally tiny, like maybe even smaller than this, or maybe about the same size as this. But this for $5, oh my gosh, I couldn't. And here's proof, it was only $5, and it comes with this little hanger so you can easily hang it up with a command hook or a nail, but I'm obsessed. I will also say that they aren't like the most well-made pieces. So like you could see some things are coming off, but that's totally fine. For like $5, I will gladly take those little imperfections off. I don't really know where I'm gonna put these yet, but I for sure want to put them like next to each other probably. I'm just so excited that I found these. And if you're planning a Target run for more essential items, but you want to grab something that's a little non-essential as well, definitely pick these up. I came home with them and Brian, my husband, was like, well, don't you have like a big one? I'm like, yeah, but I can always use more. These obviously aren't functional mirrors, like they're pretty tiny, but I just couldn't resist. So yeah, these are definitely a new favorite and I love them so much. I can't wait to put these up on my walls, and when I do, I'll be sure to include it in a video or something. But yeah, I can't believe that I got these and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna put these down now. So while I was at Target, I was looking for a few more organizational baskets and bins and things, and I happened to find these ones in the bathroom section. They were only $1 each, so they are a lot more stylish than what you can find at the dollar store, but I just love them so much because they are stackable. So if you have a drawer that you're trying to organize, these come in so many different sizes, and they are so well made and they are sleek, and I don't know, something about me and stackable things. But I thought that I would share this because I know a lot of people are organizing their homes right now, and this is a great option. I also went into the kitchen area and there were so many good kitchen items for organization, and I had to like resist them all, but I will link them all down below in case you're also looking for more organization. I never realized how affordable and how well made Target's like organization things are. Like I'm usually looking at the Container Store or Amazon, but honestly, next time that I'm organizing things, I'm gonna look at Target first. But yeah, I just want to put it out there, and I can't wait to continue organizing my things this weekend and next weekend, every weekend probably. I will be updating on my Instagram, so if you're not following me already, please do so. I will leave my information right here. Many more organization projects to come. So for this next item, I found at Trader Joe's while I was grocery shopping, and I was also buying flowers for my how to make a flower arrangement video, which you can watch if you haven't already. It has some really helpful tips if you're learning to do floral arrangements for yourself, for your home, for festivities, after quarantine. Yeah, if you haven't already, watch that video. But as I was checking out from Trader Joe's, I saw from the corner of my eye this beautiful little bunch of dried bunny tail, and this just makes me so happy. It was only $4 for this big bunch, and I feel like on Etsy, or if you try to buy it anywhere else, it's a lot more expensive. I saw Urban Outfitters was trying to sell this for $30, I think, something like that. Hello, Trader Joe's has them for $4, and I can't wait to put them around my home. Okay, I'm pulling one out very carefully. Okay. Oh my god, that's so cute! So similar to pampas grass, which is like nice and fluffy, these bunny tails are cuter petite versions of this, and I'm just loving dried things because obviously you don't have to water it or try to keep it alive or whatever. So if you're looking for some dried plants and you don't want to pay a lot for it, try Trader Joe's because they just have the cutest stuff sometimes. These are just gonna make your home that much more cozy, and that's exactly what you want when you're stuck at home all day. So yeah, I love this. So this last favorite is an at-home treat that I've been making myself like every other day before I get my day started, and that is an iced matcha latte. And I've been making it with these ingredients that you can find at Trader Joe's or Target. Let me talk about each one of these things first. I feel weird holding a carton of milk. I recently switched over from almond milk to oat milk for my iced matcha lattes, and I must say that I like the taste a lot better. I feel like the oat milk gives a little bit of sweetness. This one is from Trader Joe's, and this one is the larger size. You can also buy a smaller one, but I was like making them so much that I started buying the bigger carton of it. I'm trying to read this if there's anything important I need to say, but no, not really. So if you haven't made the switch over to oat milk, I would highly recommend this one. It's just so yummy in my my matcha lattes. And for the matcha I use, I've been loving the Vital Proteins Matcha Collagen. And you definitely don't have to have this matcha to make an iced matcha latte, but I just like this one for the added benefits of collagen. I am getting older and I have extremely dry skin, so collagen is definitely a worry for me. But I would recommend any type of powdered matcha. You could also grab one that Trader Joe's has. That one's pretty good. I've just been sticking to this one because I really need to use up the jar. So to make my matcha lattes, I usually mix this with some Sweet and Low or stevia and then add a little bit of water so I can whisk it all together before pouring it into my milk, because I definitely hate when powder sits at the bottom of drinks. Like if you get one at Starbucks, there's always powder at the bottom and I just don't like that. So if you whisk it with water beforehand, that definitely helps it out. And just pour it over some ice. And there you have it, your very own matcha latte, and it won't cost you $5 to drink. And if you haven't tried it out, I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're not a coffee drinker like I am. I just feel like this is a nice treat for me in the mornings, and I can't wait to make one after this so then I can drink it and also show you guys what it looks like. So those are all of my at-home favorites right now. I hope that you guys found it interesting or helpful, and I hope that it also gives you guys some ideas of things that you could pick up on your next grocery run. If there's anything that you've been loving while being at home, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear all about it. I love that some of you guys are getting inspired by the products that I'm sharing. Literally yesterday, someone sent me a picture of them organizing all their art supplies, and I was just so happy to see that I inspired someone to do the same thing, because I just feel so much better now that all my art supplies are organized. But yeah, would love to hear from you guys. I cannot thank you guys all enough for watching my videos and supporting this channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram because I'm posting every single day. And that's it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!